ये मैटर जो मैं आपको बोलने जा रहा हूँ, आप इस मैटर को हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर पे टाइप करके आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स को जान सकते हैं और अपने शॉर्टहैंड को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है। 3, 2, स्टार्ट। लैंग्वेज इज आवर मेजर मीन्स ऑफ communication. It is how we share our thoughts with others. Stop. A language's secondary purpose is to convey someone's sentiments, emotions, or attitudes. Stop. English is one such language in the world that satisfies both the above purposes. Stop. English has been regarded as the first global lingua franca. Stop. It has become part and parcel of almost every existing field. Stop. We use it as the international language to communicate in many fields ranging from business to entertainment. Stop. Para. Many countries teach and encourage youngsters to acquire English as a second language. Stop. Even in nations where English is not an official language, many science and engineering curriculum are written in English. Stop. Para. English abilities will most certainly aid you in any business endeavors you choose to pursue. Stop. Many large corporations will only hire professional employees after determining whether or not they speak good English. Stop. Given the language's prominence, English language classes will be advantageous to you if you want to work for a multinational organization and will teach you the communication skills needed to network with professionals in your area on enhance your career. Stop. Para. The English language opens an ocean of career opportunities to those who speak this language anywhere in the world. Stop. Similarly, it has turned into an inevitable requirement for various fields and professions like medicine, computing, and more. Stop. Para. In the fast evolving world, it is essential to have a common language that we can understand to make the best of the data and information available. Stop. As a result, the English language has become a storehouse of various knowledge ranging from social to political fields. Stop. Para. As the importance of the English language is clear now, we move on to why we must learn the English language. Stop. It is so common that 1 out of 5 people can speak or understand this language. Stop. Para. Further, learning the English language can help in getting a job easily. Stop. As it has become the language of many fields, it automatically increases the chances of landing a good job in a good company. Stop. Para. In addition, it helps with meeting new people. Stop. As it is the official language of 53 countries, learning it helps to break the language barriers. Stop. Most importantly, it is also the language of the internet. Stop. Another important reason to learn this language is that it makes traveling easier. Stop. Being a widely used language globally, it will help you connect with people easily. Stop. Similarly, it is also essential in the world of business. Stop. It does not matter whether you are an employee or employer, it benefits everyone. Stop. Students who wish to study abroad must definitely study this language. Stop. Many countries use their schools and universities. Stop. So it can offer a good opportunity for students. Stop. Because of the tremendous rise of information technology, particularly the internet, English is the language of choice for internet users. Stop. Para. The internet has also played an important role in promoting and spreading the English language throughout the world as more and more people are exposed to it, and English has also become the language of the internet. Stop. इस मैटर में ध्यान रखिएगा, इंग्लिश जहाँ भी आया है वहाँ पे इंग्लिश कैपिटल होगा, क्योंकि इंग्लिश एक लैंग्वेज है, इसलिए यहाँ पे कैपिटल रखा गया है।